Hey there, Alicia here. I am at our property, our historic property, and I had all these plans to do a really fancy video with my fancy camera, but I don't have it with me and there's not anybody here working, so I'm going to take advantage of this opportunity and we're going to just do it with my phone. So here's the front. It's so beautiful. It's got this beautiful wraparound porch. I'm going to walk us in and we can see, I may have to do this in more than one video, but we'll get it all posted. Right. So I'm sure y'all have seen the photos of the original, the way it looked in the beginning. The floors are being redone, so that was kind of sad that we couldn't keep the beautiful original wood floors, but they were just in too terrible a shape, so we had to go ahead and pull those out, but we have beautiful flooring picked out. So this is the living area in one of the units. So let's walk in here and you can see the kitchen. This is another thing that was a little bit sad. We had really cool kind of retro cabinetry in here that we were planning to save, but again, the floors were just not making that possible. So I'm going to be ordering
it's getting new.
a kitchen, new kitchen, huh, buddy? And we'll get that installed here, and that cabinet that you're seeing right there is also going to come down. But the windows are so beautiful. Look, you guys, at this. I don't know if you can see it, but there's just the most beautiful wood casing all the way around these windows, and the doors also have, you can see it a little bit better there. There we go.
And that one's screwed in so you can't get.
Yeah, the house is kind of locked down for safety, huh, buddy? This one, the washer and dryer and the refrigerator all will be lined up here. We're going to have beautiful open shelving. And this space is going to have a little bit more of a vintage feel to it. So it's a really nice pantry right there. I don't know if you can tell that that's what that is, but it's really big. It's going to get a little dark here. Let me see if I can turn a light on. This is the bathroom. I'm loving the old kind of retro tile in there. Again, a beautiful seal on that window, and then an old retro mirror cabinet. It's kind of cool. So I've already got all the stuff picked out for this space. So really, again, kind of a retro feel for this one. And it's got a bedroom. Another great window there, and look at this flooring. The window did get broken into. This has a door, a back door. These closets are kind of cool. Look at the latch. I just love the latches on these doors. And it's like a really shallow, you can't really tell, but it's only like a foot. You can tell when you look down here. Really shallow closets, kind of cool. And then like a crawl space storage up there. So yeah. So that's this side. I think that I will stop this video and do the other side as a separate video. So we'll see you in the next one.